everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me for another video tutorial. I just walked up the stairs, so I'm a little out of breath. That's so sad. But today I have a sweet and simple little card. We made this at our Stampery event, and it uses the Fruit Stand, I think it's called Fruit Stand designer paper from Sale-a-bration. Super cute. I love how one side coordinates with the back side. I just think this is so much fun. This is only available through the end of February at our Sale-a-bration event. It's free with a $60 purchase. So if you'd like to place an order, use the host code below while we still have our host codes. And then we're going to use the Simply Said stamp set. I love this one. It's in the annual catalog, but I love it because it just has, you know, the sentiments and in a couple fonts, and sometimes this is just all you need to go with some pretty designer paper. Okay, so let's get to our super simple layout. We're using a half sheet of thick vanilla or thick basic white cardstock. Then I have a piece of black. Now what I've done is take one of our, you can take a circle punch, or I used our stylish shaped dies just to cut a circle out of there. Whatever you have is fine. And then I've cut a couple pieces of the watermelon pattern out of the designer series paper, and I'm going to glue this to our black. So I have kind of the berry seeds, and then I have on the other side is the watermelon rind pattern. So let's glue these down, and we'll adhere them to the card front. You know, I think I'm going to put my black down first. We're not going to see that circle die cut out of there, so it's a good way to make your cardstock stretch. I'm going to put the seeds down next. And this one has just a thin border going around. All right, let's grab this one and adhere that. Super cute already, and you don't have to do any, I mean, I just love it how it is. So I'm going to glue this little black circle here, just kind of right on, centered on that seam. You could do it a little to the right too, it doesn't matter. And then I've cut, I'm gluey, I've cut a little banner from the stylish shaped dies. Once again, I used that for two different pieces on here. And I'm going to just grab, we're going to do a little thank you note. And I'm going to stamp thanks right here. Just like that, that's all I'm going to do. It's super easy, and we're using just black memento ink. And I'm going to use a couple little dimensionals to pop this up. And honestly, this could be your whole card right here. Add a couple embellishments, whatever you want to do. I'm going to add a little flower. Now you can use a flower punch. We have many dies that cut out little flowers. This one's from the Link Together bundle. It has like a die that cuts 4 flowers out at a time, so that's why I went with that one. The quicker and easier for me it is, the better I like it. Okay, and then use whatever gem that you have right in the middle. I have a sequins. I have a couple of these silver sequins from the neutral sequins. I'm going to put a big one right in the middle of the flower, and then I have a small one with sticking to everything. We're going to put this one right here, just right there. And that's it. Super quick and simple, or I don't know, I'm thinking I might want it up there. Wherever you want to put your sequins, you can. or if you want to use rhinestones or whatever you have. Just a super quick, easy card to do. And not many supplies, a little bit of black and white scraps, and then our designer paper. So I hope you enjoyed our project today. I will post measurements and supplies on my blog. And there's a link to order using the host code. If your order is $60 or more, you can get this fruit stand designer paper for free. And for $50 or more, I'd go for the $60. But with the $50 or more, you're going to get a set of our card class projects and a little gift from me as well. All right, thanks so much for stopping by, and I will see you next time.